Okay, so the next part, we're going to look at three formulas side by side, and we're going to do them one after the other. So the first thing we need to do is work out the total sold. Now, to work out the total sold, we need to add Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday together. And there's two ways you can do this. If I press the equal sign, I can click in Monday, and I can use then the plus, and put Tuesday, and plus, and Wednesday, plus, Thursday plus Friday. So that's probably one of the more basic ways to do it. The other way of doing it is to go equals sum, open brackets, click, hold down with the mouse and drag over, and then close the brackets and then press enter. Both formulas will work and both formulas will add up what we want. Now, I am just going to stick with the traditional one for now, the plus, because we are going to use the sum later on in the spreadsheet. So I'm going to click, hold down with the mouse, drag, and leave go. Now we're going to work out the total profit as well. Now we know how much one item makes, and we know how many we've sold. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply the two together. So to do this, I'm going to press the equal sign, and then I'm going to put the profit. And then I'm going to multiply, which is the asterisk, so it's shift and 8. I'm going to multiply it by the total there, which it happens to be K6. And then I'm going to press enter. That then works out how much money we've made in total. And again, I can click, hold down with the mouse, drag, and copy the formula down. Now we need to work out the stock left. We know how much we've sold, which is here, and we know how much stock we've got at the start. So what we're going to do is take one away from the other. So I'm going to type equals, I'm going to click in the stock, which is there, and I'm going to put the minus sign in, and then I'm going to click in the total sold and press enter. And that works out that I've got 16 left. If I click, hold down with the mouse, drag down, that then will work out the total. Now you might find that in my example here, I've actually sold 20 more gingerbread slices than I had. So if you ended up with a minus figure here, what you need to do is look back at the amount you sold. Now you can either do one of two things. You can either increase the number you've got at the start of the week, so I could put that up to 80 as an example, which then puts it back to a positive, or I could decrease some of the values that I've sold. It is completely your choice, but your stock left should be a positive number. So can you now put those three formulas in to the spreadsheet?